this is Nick Farrow with English Discovery and one more mini-vid on the present simple tense. This is the fourth in the series and it's on the topic of the verb to have. The simple present tense and how to use it. Remember, we want to see how the meaning of the simple present tense is different from the meaning of the present progressive tense. But first, let's check some vocabulary words you'll need. Well, if you need to check any meanings, please pause the video and look in your dictionary. Okay, then let's start the lesson as usual with some examples. Here, both sentences contain the verb have, and we can say that this group is about ownership. The next ones are similar. The wheels or the eyes may be called attributes of the car or the person we're talking about. In fact, they are almost the same as the top ones. For any of these, you can change it to my brother's, or your money, or her house, for example, and the car's wheels, and your eyes. Another and different use of have is about a state or a condition. The teacher has a cold, I have a headache. I think the meanings are easy to understand. Some cases are a little difficult. I would say that this example is one of ownership, but this one is about a condition right now. Back to the question of time and the verb to have. Ownership and attributes are usually not concerned about a special time period, so the timeline is indicated here as always. I have brown hair, for example, has no special time period. However, most comments about states or conditions are temporary, so a timeline like this may be better. Okay, what's next? A short reminder of, the grammar. Well, here's the example. That's third person singular. It's one dog, and so you must use has and you must not use have. It's an important point for beautiful English. Then we have a negative sentence, a yes/no question, and a WH question. Please remember, all of these use the do helping verb every time. And this is old-fashioned. Forget it. And now the special cases, starting with lunch, and here have means to eat, of course. You can also say we are having lunch, because this is not the verb of ownership. And the same here, he's having a shower. In fact, usually Americans might say he's taking a shower. So have is used more in the UK. And finally, have with the meaning of organizing something, and one more of experiencing something. And again, all of these cases, you can say it in the present progressive because the meaning is quite different. Do you know this form? It's like must, and it's not the same as the have verb. And then there is have plus the past participle. In this case, have is only a helping verb. Again, it has no connection to the verb to have. These are topics for another video. Okay, you can relax now. Take a break. Thanks for watching. Look out for the next mini vid on the present tense for now. And maybe subscribe and like if you liked the lesson. See you next time.